Hi everyone. Want to give a quick update on Canada's employment data that came out last Friday. Sorry, I've been a bit tied up, so I haven't had a chance to comment, but want to quickly talk about it right now. So 40,000 jobs were created, which is very strong, taking our unemployment rate down to 5.1%, which is the lowest rate ever. Now, the Bank of Canada has their next meeting July 13. Expectations are for a 50 basis point rate hike. However, the Federal Reserve, which is the US's central bank, they hiked 75 basis points yesterday. So now obviously there's going to be talk whether Canada is going to follow suit and be as aggressive. 50 basis points is still pretty aggressive, so now it's going to be bounced between 50 and 75. I still think 50 beeps, but we'll see what happens as we approach the meeting date. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you're going to start to see a lot more talk about the upcoming recession. There likely will be a recession in Canada. That means 2 negative quarters of GDP growth. We're going to get there. US is starting to experience it already, as is Europe. And the talk here in Canada is going to be later on this year, if not early next year. Now, the Bank of Canada has to still address high inflation because that is going to be one of the factors leading to that recession. So as they hike rates, they have to hike it so that when we're softer and weaker in the economy, they have an opportunity to cut rates at that point. Now, the other thing to keep in mind, obviously this is impacting housing prices. As rates goes up, housing prices are coming down. This is what we're experiencing right now. The higher cost of borrowing, the higher cost of money is going to impact buyers' demand for housing, and we're seeing a slight correction in the market right now, which is perfectly fine because obviously the market was ripping like crazy during COVID and for a while now. So this is a normal, healthy market. You need to see prices go up and go down and sort of find that balance between supply and demand. That's what equilibrium pricing is, okay? So if you have any questions, if you want more information, please, as always, hit me up. I'm happy to talk about any of the economic data and how it should impact housing prices and just generally the market.